Hadd al-Sariqa, which I need to touch upon, cutting the hand of the thief. A lot of people do not know the conditions that this would be applied. It's not when someone steals. For example, I work as an accountant for a company. I embezzled money from that company. Would my hand be cut according to Islamic law? Right hand. Anyone knows? No. I have a gold piece of property or some money, and recklessly I left him on the curb right in front of my house. And someone actually saw me coming outside the house and put him on the curb and then moving back in. And then slowly he walks in and take that money. It's not his. It's my money and it's in front of my house. Now he's caught. Should we apply the hadd? No. Why? Because I put it recklessly outside. The hadd is applied when you break a hirz, meaning that there is a locked door, protected property of people, and I break that door and break that protection that people put to protect their money, go in there and steal money. In that case, then the hadd will be applied. But there's still another condition. What is that condition? Of the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that the amount that I steal should exceed what equates 1/4 of dinar of gold. Maybe there's a famine. Maybe I'm hungry and about to die, and I just broke that door trying to get anything so I can save my life. Life is way more important in Islam than any property. So if I stole whatever that can feed me and give me a meal to survive, then there's no hadd. But if I stole more than 1/4 of a dinar in gold, a dinar of gold is about 4.5 grams of gold. If I did more than that, then it is theft. Then I use force to break into people's properties and I stole, then my hand will be cut and it will be in public. The most beautiful thing about that is when people know this, crimes don't happen. And this is of the flexibility of Islamic law. في عام الرمادة. عام الرمادة was a year of famine in the Asian part of the Muslim state, where Umar ibn Khattab was there. He suspended the law of cutting the hand because people did not find anything to eat. It's a matter of, dar. You live or you die. At the same time, in the same Muslim state, Egypt did not have famine. So the rule still applied. And subhanAllah, to see the leniency of Islam, a group of workers were accused of stealing a man's camel. So before they applied the hadd upon them, Umar ibn Khattab asked him, why did you steal? He said, we work for another man who barely gives us enough salary or money so we can eat. So for that, we were forced to steal that camel so we can feed ourselves. So the man whose camel was stolen was there, the workers were there. Umar ibn Khattab sends for their employer. He asked him, is it true that you give him that little much of money? He said, yes. He said, all right, pay that man the price of the camel. So the man said, I didn't steal anything, it's not my camel, why do I have to pay it? He said, because you cannot employ people and do not fulfill their bare minimum of rights and then expect that they're not going to go and steal other people. You actually cause them to steal. And next time, if they would be put in the same situation and go steal, I'm going to cut your own hand. This is the justice of Islam, not only of his ruling, but look at how Umar al-Khattab did it. You know what? The workers admitted, they confessed, we stole the camel. A judge in Islam pursues the truth. He does not look at the evidence that is brought in him pre-packaged and say, let's apply the law. Tahari al-haqiqah. He want to make sure that it's a just rule and he's looking for the truth, not the evidence of it, but the actual truth. This is the function of a judge. And by that he saved their hands and saved the punishment to be applied for them.